Thou shalt not drone flight on ye old property.
Thou shalt not put the 10 Commandments on public property.
Listen, we're not trying to get political here.
Came with it, you just had to buy the goggles, or you had to...
This is just by itself. You got to buy the batteries. I've had to buy the camera. It came with different blades. I put the nicer blades on it. So yeah, the drones are pretty cheap themselves. They're crashable and repairable. I've crashed just and repaired motors and body parts already. And then the radio, you know, I can control like 30 different things with this radio, and I can see anything that transmits a video with this.
How much was that whole setup?
Way too much.
No, I mean,
probably like
$1,000 bucks.
$600.
Yeah, 700. Yeah.
Plus a charger. You need a battery charger.
Yeah.
So that's another at least 50.
Now, did you buy that a package deal?
No, no. This
piece
was
it together?
Yeah, this was pieced together. Yeah, because these are all different brands. I mean, you can buy like starter kits that come with like a cheap radio that has a screen built on it, so you can watch it that way. But it's so much more fun to strap on goggles and whatnot. So.